Hi students, good afternoon. Okay, so probably yeah, everyone 30 have joined. So probably this will be last or maybe second last lecture of first module. Yeah, probably the second last one. And the people who have taken the topics for presentation, they'll be presenting it in the next class, as I've told. But from past few days I was not well, so I didn't took the class. So my class was planned on Tuesday. Yeah, yesterday. Monday को भी शायद था या पता नहीं. But anyways, so today I'll be taking the lecture, and then in the next class there will be a presentation along with if something is remaining today, I'll complete it in the next class, and then I'll give you the notes. Okay, and after completion of this module, the next one is uh, very much relevant. मतलब we are just चलो इधर से ही start करते हैं. अरे okay, I hope you can hear me and you can see my screen as well. If you don't see, you can. If you don't hear me, then kindly inform. Okay. So, well, in this is the part which we are going to discuss: sources of new ideas, method of generating ideas. थोड़ा सा I have discussed this in the first part of the first model itself, and creative problem solving and entrepreneurial process. ये थोड़ा सा है. If I complete this, I'll be completing first module. And anyways, I took more time for first module because it is the main crux of the chapter of the subject. ठीक है, इधर से ही स्टार्ट होता है एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या है और क्यों है, एंड हाउ एंड व्हाई, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स, एवरीथिंग, एंड what are the two basic things: the idea which has been generated, and the creativity and the innovation which the entrepreneur or the person has, which can be transformed into an business or a small innovation in an existing business or in a new business or in a company. So यहाँ से it start होता है. That's the reason the first module took time. Second module is also quite vast and quite important, because in second module we are going to study how to make your business plan also a business model canvas. Okay, a new thing has been come up in the market from just past few years. From the beginning, from the very beginning, you must have been hearing that business plan होता है. ठीक है. So business plan is, so the business plan is also important. Okay, but the business plan goes through too many pages. Okay, so there will be 2 3 pages of financial plan, marketing plan, HR plan, operations plan, supply chain plan, the idea, the how the implementation of will be, the pricing. So it will be through pages, many pages. So a business model canvas we're going to study in just one like a slide. You will put everything. Okay, so that is there in the second module, which is also very vast. So in this we discussed an entrepreneurship and types of entrepreneurs, how to get an idea, just a basic I have told you. Okay, not as per the what do you say, the subject textbook. Okay, but as per the uh, relevance to today. So these three things I had divided: passions, egos, and complaints. As per the textbook, also it is there, but so few more things are there. Then about innovation stages of entrepreneur, and then evaluating. मतलब ये stages को in detail कैसे लेके जाएंगे. Okay. An entrepreneur, one concept which is there, the person who is there working in a company, an employee of a company having entrepreneur skill, how he will implement it. Then the role of government, I saw this not included in the syllabus, so I'll not include in the notes as well. Then characteristics of creating, how to create an entrepreneur culture, because there should be a culture around us. uh, just like a businessman का बेटा businessman बन रहा है, engineer का बेटा engineer बन रहा है, doctor का बेटा doctor बन रहा है, because there is a culture around. Yeah, there is a culture around the family background, the cousins in the family, the relatives in the family. So what they are discussing during the family functions, or So out of that, so that makes your culture. So culture is also important. So how to so that's the reason to create an entrepreneur culture, what the people should do, or what the businesses should do, or what the government should do. Okay, then we went to innovation, creativity. Then we discussed something. We discussed this, how what how can we bring creativity. Okay, then an example of Nintendo. Just I showed you a video last time. Then these were the presentation topics. Okay, Kodak, Xerox, and BlackBerry has been taken. BlackBerry, has been taken. I guess Yahoo is remaining. Okay, if still anyone wants to take Yahoo, it is fine, or three are perfectly fine. Okay, so that we'll do it in the next class. Okay, so I'll come to this. Okay, सब join हो गए. I'll come to this. I didn't took much time to create your presentation. I'll discuss a small story of a Starbucks. I guess now no one will join. ठीक है, now no more disturbance. उसके पहले ये कर देते हैं. Importance of creativity for entrepreneurs. Creativity क्यों चाहिए? Okay, so well, everyone we have discussed more about creativity. Everyone know this. Just go through करेंगे. Creating new ideas for competitive advantage. Okay, so a company needs to constantly create some new ideas and create new things for the customers. Okay, like just for example, one example for this. Just example, Zara is a apparel store. Okay, Zara is famous for fast fashion. Okay, fast fashion means अभी Zara के clothes generally when you go for shopping, winter collection आया है. So when you go, winter collection will be there. There will be specific kind of clothes. Then you buy those clothes, and if after 1 or 2 months, if you go to the same shop, again if you find those clothes, you will not buy it. And after 1 or 2 months, your friend goes and buys the same thing which you have, and by mistake both of you has worn the same dress, same shirt, same whatever, the same dress is there on maybe on a day to college. दोनों साथ में बैठे सेम बेंच पे, सेम ड्रेस पहने, सेम कलर है, सब कुछ सेम है, so it will look very odd. Okay, so you don't want that the dress you are wearing, your friend, the best friend should wear it. Okay, so if the clothes are there in the store for too many months, there is a chance that your friends or your relatives or anyone you know or the people you don't know are wearing the dress, and they are nearby around. So you don't want that. So Zara has eliminated that. Zara has come up with fast fashion. That means once the store is filled with clothes, it will be for limited period of time and limited quantity. So people will buy, and the clothes will be out of stock, and then new clothes will come. So that every time there is the clothes are there in the stores, they'll be only for limited period of time, and only limited number of clothes will be there. Okay, so immediately when once you buy it, no one there will be a less chance that your friend or your anyone who is buying that they are having the same kind of dress. So that's the reason the people who are the customers of Zara, they will be constantly waiting, so that once the new arrivals come, immediately they'll get emptied off. So they immediately go and buy it. So Zara keeps creating new designs, new ideas for their apparels. Okay, so just for the competitive advantage, that the other companies are not doing that fast, but Zara is able to do it. So Zara has become the kind of a leader in the world in apparel business in the world because of fast fashion. Okay. Uh, okay. The next one is thinking of novel ideas to develop your product and improve your business. Okay. You should keep on thinking ideas. So that will come from the creativity. Okay. Then think of unthinkable. Thinking of unthinkable is just what do you say? The thinking out of the box. Okay, not the normal usual thing. Just thinking out of the box. So what you can do. Okay, it is just like going outside the I mean, if there is a football field, you're going outside and playing. Okay, you're seeing from outside how the players are playing. Okay, then you can discuss them. Okay, what was the what like the coach does. He is outside and he's watching all the players how they are playing, how the ball is being passed, and how we failed or how we succeeded this time. And so he's out of the box, so he can think what the changes can be done next time. Okay, so when you are out of the box, you're out of the area of play, then you can think more efficiently. Okay, you can more differently. Okay, than the players who are playing inside the ring. Then the final one. Okay. And the final one, finding similar patterns. Oh, okay, not the final one. Finding similar patterns in different areas. The same way, which many companies came in India. Okay, just for example, Starbucks, it was started in America. Okay, but it expanded throughout the globe. McDonald's, again, it started in America. It expanded throughout the world. KFC started in Australia. It spread across the world. Okay, Walmart started in America. It spread across the world. Flipkart was started in India. It is there in India, but the idea of Flipkart was stolen from Amazon. Okay, so in this, all the things, the pattern is similar, the working style is similar, the business is similar, but it's just that we are implementing into different areas. So we are using our creative mind by using someone else's idea and implementing it into different areas. So, and the last one is developing new niches through creativity and entrepreneurship. Okay, just a niche can be developed, a small problem can be seen, okay, it can be discovered, and then we can do a business on that small problem, and that can be grown. Okay, one small example that you have seen this health drinks, Bonvita, Boost, Complan, yes, sir. So these health drinks were generally not given to kids. Definitely, when they were when they were produced, they were not given to kids. They were given to the doctors. Okay, they were recommended for the doctors, and doctors used to give it to the patients when the patients were getting recovered from some accidents or some a fracture or any operation. Okay, so when the patients used to get recovered, and then when they were leaving the hospital to their home, when they were getting discharged, during that time the patients were given those health drinks. Okay, just to improve their immunity and improve their physical strength. So only for that purpose those health drinks were offered. But later on, the company decided that we need to expand our market. We need to expand it. Okay, we just can't focus on the hospitals. So they introduced that they just made up the story. Okay, it is not about all the kids they need that health drink, but they created a perception or the just perception in the minds of the mothers, the parents basically, that your children needs to have something extra with the milk which they are consuming. So they launched health drink for only targeting the children. Okay, well, it is not a niche. Children are very many. Okay, the population the ठीक है children का population रहता है. So it is not exactly a niche, but they created only for a specific people. You can consider that Complan नहीं Horlicks क्या Complan women के लिए specifically they made it. हाँ शायद Horlicks. Horlicks women करके they made it. So that can be considered as niche. So only for women a particular type of health drink can be made. Okay, so that was there. You can create a niche and you can expand it through your creativity and entrepreneurship. Okay, just a small story of Starbucks. Okay, I didn't create a slide for that. ठीक है, Starbucks का कैसा है? It started generally coffee used to get sold in cans or in bottles or in packets. Okay, so there was no cafe. Okay, coffee shop नहीं था. Okay, so as some of you might have seen Friends, Friends, फ्रेंड्स करके टीवी सीरीज था, सिटकॉम, वेरी वेरी ओल्ड, ठीक है, बट क्वाइट फेमस वन. तो उसमें एक कैफे का, देर इज अ, व्हाट यू से, देर इज अ रोल. Okay, there is a cafe and people are coming just to drink cafe, hang out, talk, time pass करो बस, उधर आओ, कॉफी पीते रहो, and just pass your time. But that was not a culture uh, initially in 1966. Okay, before 1966, that was not the culture. The coffee used to get sold in shops and people used to drink coffee in their homes. But later on, in 1966, there was a person named Pete. Okay, he started a small coffee shop. He used to serve coffee and people used to sit and drink. So this was observed by three people, Zev, Jerry, and Gordon. Okay, and in 1970, they approached him and they started a small company named as Starbucks, and they opened 5 stores of it. Initially, that Pete helped them how to source the coffee beans, फिर कॉफी बनाना कैसे है, then how to present the customers, ऐसे करके. So first thing, cafe latte was the first coffee which was served in Starbucks. And in 1971 in Seattle, they started their business. Until 1980, they didn't much focus on those what do you say, uh, opening up the stores. They concentrated more on selling the coffee itself. Okay, and it was all changed when the new CEO, Howard, in 1983 joined, and he bought the company in 1987, and he started opening stores, and he expanded rapidly the Starbucks. And in 1992, somewhere 200 stores were there. And from 1992, there were from 2000 actually, from somewhere 3,000 stores were there, and in 2007 there was something 15,000 stores were there of Starbucks. Okay, maybe in the next class I'll just make a slide and explain it properly. Okay, and even in Starbucks, they faced many downward movement also. मतलब बहुत famous होता था. Then there was something like in 2008 there was a financial crash. Then the stores faced losses, so they need to close down some few stores and they need to introduce something new. So breakfast menu introduced हो गया, something new got introduced. Then again in 2012, no new stores opened. Then again. Something new should be there. New people want something new after a certain period of time. So in 2012, the breakfast was removed and the coffee brewing was introduced, because Starbucks in mainly go for the brewing. मतलब रेडीमेड कॉफी नहीं, उधर का उधर ही कॉफी बीन्स के साथ में कॉफी प्रोड्यूस करके you will get it. So fresh coffee will be there, and whenever you will go outside a coffee cafe, coffee day या कोस्टा कॉफी के बाहर भी जब भी जाते थे, स्टारबक्स तो नहीं है, कोस्टा कॉफी भी नहीं है, कैफे कॉफी डे तो है. कैफे कॉफी डे के whenever you pass through the door of cafe coffee day, you will able to hear the smell, and when you enter it, पूरा कॉफी का स्मेल आ जाता है पूरा. Okay, so that is the experience you get when you enter to drink a coffee. Okay, so they sell the experience of drinking a coffee. They just don't sell the product. Okay, also very important, selling the experience. Okay, so sources of new ideas. Okay, as per the textbook, it is the consumers of your product. Okay, who are consuming your product, they can give a new ideas. Okay, this is very much important for the apparel company. Fashion के लिए है ना, these are very important. So that's the reason in research methodology you might be doing a survey. Even in economics you have studied the survey method. You are going and asking the customers what is their requirement, what they feel the product should have, whether they like the product, the competitor's product, what they feel should bring new into the market. तो उनसे ही पता करें what they need, and then we'll try to figure out whether we can bring it into the market or not. So consumers are because they'll give up what you say, the real feedback. Okay, as it is said in the Bollywood, the movie can be excellent, the director can be excellent, the actors can be excellent, even the script can be excellent, but if people don't like it, then your movie is not, up to the mark. Okay, so the audience should like it. So in the same way, your product can be excellent. The designing team, the quality of the product, everything is excellent, but your consumers are not buying the product, then there is no use. So you need to ask the consumers itself, और क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें. So they are your idea generation. अब ये ना consumers का, you can consider the three things which I have told you: ego, passion, and complaints. So in complaints, consumers can come. Okay, who is complaining about anything? Okay, the consumers who are into the business, yeah, into the buying. Then existing products and services. Yeah, existing products and services, matlab you will generally go to, what do you say, your competitors and look what is their, मतलब what are their offerings, your competitors क्या offer कर रहे हैं. Generally ये Walmart का CEO था ना, he used to do that. So he used to go to Walmart, is a bigger brick and mortar, a huge store. Okay, a hypermarket you can call it. So hypermarket, Walmart के there are competitors like Target, Costco and और भी है. जैसे अभी इंडिया में if you can consider D-Mart, Big Bazaar, okay, Reliance Mart, these are their competitors. So what generally इंडिया में, मुंबई में थोड़ा होता है, when you get a bill in Big Bazaar, okay, when there are items, name of the items and then amount is written एक side में, ठीक है. Along with that, you at the bottom of the bill you will get total amount was somewhat maybe 7,000. You saved 3,000. Your bill is 4,000. Okay, ये तो रहता ही है. This everyone might have seen. Your saving, total savings, या कुछ ना कुछ लिखा रहता है, different bills. How much was the exact total and how much you have saved and how much you have to pay. उसके नीचे है ना, below that, how much would have paid if you had gone to some another store. जैसे बिग बाजार का ये आया है, 7,000 was your actual total, 3,000 you have saved, 4,000 you have to pay. If you would have gone to D-Mart, maybe if you have gone to Reliance Mart, you would have paid 5,000. So you have saved 1,000 by not going to Reliance Mart. Okay, so that is a kind of a practice. Reliance Mart नहीं था तभी, D-Mart and Big Bazaar था. So they used to sometimes do it. ठीक है, ऐसा लिख देते थे. Okay. And in foreign countries it is very common. In India it started and it stopped in Mumbai, but in foreign countries it is very common that it will be your total will be directly compared with your competitor. कि हाँ, अगर उधर जाते तो इतना खर्चा होता था. ठीक है, your total bill is 7,000. If you would have visited Target, your total bill might have been 7,500. So you save 500 by not going to Target and then coming to our store. ऐसे करके. So the people are keep checking what their competitors are doing. ठीक है, you might study this in strategic management in Porter's 5 force model. Okay, Porter's 5 force model में one of the force is the threat of the substitutes or the what is the competitor they are doing. Okay, the company needs to keep track on that. Then a distribution channel, इससे भी नया आइडिया आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, distribution channel, when you are giving your products to distributor and the distributor is giving the products to the retailer and the retailer is selling. So a retailer is in constant touch with the consumers. Okay, so retailer can suggest something to maybe the wholesaler can suggest something to distributor. So anyone in those lines can bring out any new idea which can be helpful for the company. ठीक है, एक socks का company था. The company was manufacturing the socks and hoiseries जो बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so there was one company unbrand company, not that very famous. So there was one company who was selling socks and they were not able to improve their sales. So one of the salesmen of a shop, he suggested that the coloring scheme is not good. Okay, you're just selling plain colors. Why don't you include multicolors in your socks? And that was just taken up by the company and they implemented, and the socks sale of the socks got shoot up. So just by a recommendation from a salesman or anyone in the distribution channel, if they are suggesting, a new idea can come up. And that the same way the idea of ATM also came up in the market. So there was a complaint from the consumers that you need to increase the banking hours or increase the windows of withdrawal of cash. Okay, but that was not properly, that was not a proper what do you say, complaint. Okay, it was a complaint, but that complaint didn't give rise to ATM. The ATM idea was implemented outside when they saw the technology and they used it. So it didn't came from the consumer, it came from the people who are looking out for a business. Okay, तो एक और एक लास्ट एक सेकंड लास्ट है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से भी आ सकता है if there is a need for anything, that a new idea can be implemented. Just for one example, कि टाटा के जो ट्रक्स हैं, okay, the Tata didn't really plan to enter into the automobile industry, but the central government approached Tata to start automobile industry so that they can manufacture Tata trucks for the defense purposes. So they tied up. So Tata approached, and Tata didn't know how to manufacture trucks, so they approached Mercedes to help them how to manufacture the trucks. So Mercedes and Tata was into joint collaboration very long back. Okay, but there was no private collaboration allowed unless government permits it. So government permitted Tata to have a collaboration with Mercedes, and they set up the Tata automobile. Okay, so just an idea which was implemented, which was suggested by the government to their company. And the last one is research and development inside the company. Okay, ये तो चलता रहता है every now and then. So there is a small department in research and development who keeps on working on some new projects, new ideas. Okay, so this is very important, research and development. But in India, as far as I've seen, it is not given much importance in the companies. Okay, whatever gives the fast income, that has been concentrated more. Okay, so if you want to grow your company, if you want to grow the country as well, these are the things which you need to focus: research and development. Okay, which is very less in India as compared to the size of the services offered, size of the products sold, and size and the kinds of the intellect we have in the country. Research and development both come in. Then after research and development, manufacturing is not also good. We are not manufacturing our products, we are manufacturing someone else's, using someone else's technology, using someone else's someone else is coming into the market, and we are manufacturing and giving it to them. Okay, we are not setting up our own manufacturing unit. Okay, so manufacturing unit set up karna is also our own manufacturing, not like make in India mein you come, you manufacture, give us the job. Okay, that is also fine, but setting up our own manufacturing, okay, that will be much more valuable for the economy. Okay, so setting up our own manufacturing, setting up our own research and development, bringing our own new ideas, implementing it here itself. Okay, rather than implementing in Silicon Valley. If we implement here itself, try to do that, then it is more important more beneficial for our economy as well. ठीक है, तो ये था sources of new ideas. So मतलब इसमें भी ठीक है, so these so there was why creativity was important, then how to source new ideas, then this ठीक है, आज ये करके we'll finish it off. क्या हो गया? ठीक है, so this slide will do, and we'll finish, and the one last slide will be remaining, that will do it in the next class. ठीक है, after the presentations. The method of generating ideas, this is applicable for not just for entrepreneurship, but for anything, literally for anything. Even if your IA test is getting planned, this any one of this will be implemented. Okay, so just any small decisions which need to be taken in a group,
that group can be as small as 3 or 4 people or as big as the entire company. ठीक है, और the board of directors भी like 15 20 50 people भी है. So depending upon what we are taking a decision into, so इसमें ये आ जाता है. Okay, these four are the main as per the textbook it is given. So नहीं तो बहुत सारे methods हैं generating ideas के, so it has been clubbed into these four. uh, Second one, well, I have discussed with you the brainstorming. Okay, ठीक है, पहले वही बताता हूँ. Brainstorming is, okay, the group will be met. Okay, that group can be different, can be same. Okay, but generally brainstorming में different group ही रहता है. मतलब there will be uh, people from different departments as well, or different age group, or men, women, young, old. ठीक है, that can be done. So brainstorming में generally different groups रहता है. Okay, and there will be one problem thrown to the group, and they were told to find the new ideas, not the solution, just the ideas. So brainstorming में इसके लिए I've told there is no criticism. The people can just give the ideas. Okay, they can talk with each other. They can, the quantity of the ideas are more much more important. देखिए ज़्यादा ideas आने चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं, there will be a group of 10 people and they are coming up with just 3 ideas by discussion. They should come up with, I guess, more than 30 or 40 ideas, so that we can work on them. We can club 2 or 3 ideas like that. ऐसे कुछ कर सकते हैं. So brainstorming the quantity, बहुत सारे ideas रहने चाहिए. That is more important. Criticism is technically not allowed. Okay, there can be combination, कुछ combine कर सकते हैं ideas का, या कुछ कर सकते हैं. It should be a light, it should not be a kind of a group discussion. Brainstorming एकदम, what you can say, हंसी मजाक से that can be implemented, that activity. Okay, brainstorming, the second one. And the third one, focus group will come later. Third one is brain writing, very similar to brainstorming. Brainstorming में everyone is talking. ठीक है, एक storm जैसा ब्रेन के अंदर स्टॉर्म जैसा पैदा हुआ. एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग देयर, गिविंग देयर आइडियाज, एंड समवन इज राइटिंग द आइडियाज. ओके, ये है, ये है, ये है करके, बिकॉज नो वन इज क्रिटिसाइजिंग, ये तो गलत है, ऐसा तो चल रहा नहीं. इन ब्रेन राइटिंग, द it is just writing of the ideas by each one of the person. Suppose there are 5 people sitting, one person will be the kind of a moderator, and he will give a kind of a paper or a chit or a card to the person next to him, and the person will write maybe 2 or 3 of his ideas, and then the card will be passed to the next person. Then he will write 2 or 3 ideas, then the pass will be asked to the next person. Then she will write her ideas, 2 or 3 ideas. Then ऐसे करके, in a circle the card will come, and there will be a lot of ideas, and then the discussion can be started. Okay, इसमें बात नहीं करेंगे. In brain writing, they'll just think for maybe for 3 minutes to write 3 ideas. Something can be given like that, or 5 minutes to write any 3 ideas. So 5 minutes each one of the person will be given to write three ideas, and that can be done. Okay, so brain writing में बात नहीं करना है generally. It is the written process. Okay, brainstorming, brain writing is done. Now I'll come to focus group. ठीक है, अभी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग इन ब्रेन राइटिंग में देयर वाज, कैसा है, एकदम कोर प्रोसेस है. इट इज वेरी रॉ प्रोसेस. ठीक है, अभी अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है. ठीक है, सम न्यू प्रॉब्लम इज देयर एंड वी नीड टू जनरेट आइडियाज. ठीक है, सो द आइडियाज कैन बी वेरी वेरी आर्टिस्टिक, वेरी हैपेजार्ड, कुछ भी आइडियाज आ सकते हैं. फोकस ग्रुप में ना, इट इज मोर फोकस्ड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. Focus group, you might study in research methodology as well. Okay, you create a group of very much similar people, same people. Okay, if there is a problem of something, maybe जैसे कि in kitchen, women generally stand and cook, so there is leg pain, might be arthritis का problem generally होता है, back pain होता है, spondylosis होता है, cervical होता है. So there is something bothering our population, that we are continuously standing in kitchen, and our women are continuously standing in the kitchen for cooking, and they are developing these problems, these physical health problems they are developing. So we need to find a solution for that. Okay, so for these things, people from different departments or different what do you say, different age groups or something like that will not be taken. The group will consist of only women who are cooking in the kitchen. Okay, not the young girls or not the very aged women. Okay, they can be taken, but still, women who are generally cooking in the kitchen nowadays, they will be taken. Because if we take very old people, they might be because I have seen my grandmothers. So the gas was kept on the floor, and they used to sit and cook. So there were different problems for that. So standing and cooking was not there. Okay, but nowadays, if I see my mom and my sister and my wife, so they stand and cook. Okay, they don't take that what do you say, the gas stove and keep it on the ground and they cook. So generally standing and cooking का एक problem है. ठीक है, the problem is very specific in focus group. So what can be done, problem कैसे solve करें? Okay, we can wear slippers, and the women can wear slippers while cooking, or they can wear, so the kind of a slippers we need to design. Or one of the thing I was told when I went to industrial visit in Volkswagen, the strip on which the workers were standing. Okay, वो जो एक kind of a strip था where all the workers were standing to assemble the cars. ठीक है, someone was assembling some tires and someone was assembling something they were assembling on that assembly line, and they were standing. They could not sit and assemble that. So during that time, the entire strip was made wooden. ठीक है, पूरा wood का था वो strip where the workers were standing, and the remaining thing were normal tiles. So I don't know. The person next to me asked that कि ये wooden का क्यों है जिधर भी वो लोग खड़े हैं ना, why it is of wood. So he told us that when you stand on wood, the wood absorbs your weight. It doesn't reflect back. But if you stand on a tile or maybe just a stone, if you stand on stone, you will feel the pain in your lower back or the middle back, because stone reflects your weight. So when you stand on tile, you cannot stand for much longer period of time. But if you can stand on wood, the wood will absorb your weight and it will not reflect you. So you will not have any cervical or spondylosis. So that's the reason some of you might have seen wooden flooring in kitchen. So wooden flooring का भी यही logic है कि when you are standing on wood, you will not be able to feel the pain in your back. ठीक है, ये जस्ट किधर भी इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. जस्ट पता नहीं, कुछ वुडन का रख के जस्ट सी इट. सो वेरी लॉन्ग बैक द फुटवेयर्स वेयर मेड अप ऑफ वुड. बहुत ही पहले, ठीक है, वुडन रहते थे फुटवेयर्स, बिकॉज इफ यू आर वॉकिंग ऑल्सो द वुड विल एब्जॉर्ब your weight and it will not reflect back. One more small engineering example जैसे अच्छा, before that I'll just complete this focus group में. So you will have a particular problem that women standing in the kitchen, they are having these problems. So what can be done? So what kind of flooring can be designed? What kind of footwear can be worn during cooking? तो ये सब डिस्कशन हो जाएगा, एक स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप और एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक. Then okay, after this I'll give that example. Problem inventory analysis. Problem inventory analysis इसमें है ना, just we'll see मतलब what do you say, um, इसमें manager will conduct a kind of manager will be told to come up with the ideas. ठीक है, because he is connected मतलब क्या बोलेंगे, one second, क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है, हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम इन्वेंटरी एनालिसिस, you can see the slide, right?
Yes.
मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा था क्या? हाँ, तो हाँ, in problem inventory analysis it is generally told to the manager itself to come up with the new ideas. ठीक है, Kellogg's का एग्जांपल, yeah, I have not given, I guess. Kellogg's का एग्जांपल once I'll give you. Kellogg's cornflakes जो थे, when they came, they are generally, Kellogg's cornflakes जो है, the product which is there, they are generally made for the breakfast. ठीक है, and in foreign the breakfast is pretty lighter as compared to Indian breakfast, so they generally consume cornflakes with milk during the breakfast. But in India, we don't consume that lighter breakfast. We want our chapati or idli or dosa, ऐसा कुछ heavy चाहिए. Okay, पोहा, उपमा, ओके, सो पराठा, ऐसा कुछ हेवी ब्रेकफास्ट चाहिए. बहुत सारे फूड के नाम लेंगे. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ अ ब्रेकफास्ट वी डू. ठीक है, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स और मिल्क इज ऑल्सो हेवी ब्रेकफास्ट, बट वी डोंट फील इट. ठीक है, लाइक माई डैड यूज टू टेल, मैकडोनल्ड्स में एक बर्गर खा के पेट कैसे भर जाता है तेरा करके. ओके, so just a small, because the size of the burger is pretty small, so but if I eat 2 burgers, मैकचिकन के 2 बर्गर खा लिया तो बहुत पेट भर जाता है. ठीक है, because the calorie content is very high in that. Similarly, cornflakes भी calorie content is high, but we, after consuming, we don't feel it. So it was not easily consumed, not adopted easily into the India when Kellogg's Cornflakes bought their product into India, because we are not very much, what do you say, we don't consume that kind of a breakfast. Then Kellogg's, through their advertisement, somehow convinced that it is for kids. ठीक है, किड्स को लाइक दी हॉर्लिक्स जैसा हेल्थ ड्रिंक है, तो ये भी हेल्दी है, हेल्दी हेल्दी है करके दे पुट देयर प्रोडक्ट इनटू द माइंड्स ऑफ द फ्यू कस्टमर्स. देन वी टुक मिल्क, वी टुक कॉर्नफ्लेक्स, वी मिक्सड इट. ठीक है, एंड वी डिड अ ब्लंडर. व्हाट ब्लंडर वी डिड, whenever we consume milk, we consume it at least lukewarm or hot milk. When you put lukewarm milk and you put cornflakes, वो कॉर्नफ्लेक्स नहीं रहते, दे बिकम समथिंग एल्स. ठीक है, तो दे बिकम वेरी सॉगी एंड वेरी सॉफ्ट. ठीक है, एंड इट इज वेरी टेस्टलेस. ठीक है, टेस्टी नहीं रहता. तो व्हेन आई फर्स्ट कंज्यूम्ड कॉर्नफ्लेक्स, उसमें मैं शक्कर भी डालता था. ओके, 2 स्पून्स ऑफ शुगर, देन मिल्क, देन कॉर्नफ्लेक्स. ठीक है, और फिर भी आई डिडंट लाइक इट. Then cornflakes, the company Kellogg's, they found out that the people in India generally consume milk lukewarm or hot milk consume karte. So if you consume it hot milk cornflakes, you will not get a taste of cornflakes. Then manager decided that we should put in the minds of the customer that drink cold milk. Milk should be cold when you are consuming cornflakes. Okay, even that problem was solved. Then again, as I've told you, I used to put 2 spoons of sugar into cornflakes. Then the manager realized that the additional thing has been coming into our product, sugar. That means we as Indians are very much used to consume milk in a sweeter way. ठीक है, मीट शक्कर में दूध डालते ही है, हनी डालते ही है, कुछ ना कुछ डालते हैं. ओके, वी कैन नॉट कंज्यूम नॉर्मल मिल्क. ठीक है, वो ठंडा भी पी रहे हैं तो भी थोड़ा सा मीठा रहना चाहिए. So they made their cornflakes in such a way that the coating of cornflakes was of honey. Some sweetener was added on that cornflakes. उसके एक layer डाल दिया लोग. Then you don't need to add sugar into that. So ऐसे करके they kept on generating ideas by picking up the problems from the market. So this is how kind of a problem inventory analysis. Generally, for the food industry, these kind of ideas are generated. Okay. Now, one more small thing I wanted to share. Okay, when you might have experienced this, when you travel on road, okay, there are 2 kinds of roads. अभी तो easily बेलगाम में भी है. There are concrete roads, okay, and there are tar roads. ठीक है, black color के हैं. Those are tar roads, and the other roads are concrete roads. Right. So when you're driving your vehicle, generally 2-wheeler में I have I have not on टू व्हीलर, तो मेरे को उतना मालूम नहीं. But when I'm driving cars on tar road, you will not hear any noise. आवाज ज़्यादा नहीं आता. And when you're driving, it is very smooth. But when you're driving on concrete road at much faster speed, ऐसा 20-30 पे जाएंगे तो you will not recognize. But if you're going on 60 or 80 or 100, then you will be able to hear the noise. बहुत आवाज आता है गाड़ी में से, not of engine but of tire. When tires are running on that concrete road, you will be able to hear much noise as compared to the on the tar roads. Okay, and you feel that your car is much vibrating on concrete roads when you are driving at high speed. When you go past 100, 120, then you will feel the vibration. Everyone will feel the vibration, and the driver definitely will feel it on the steering on the concrete road. But if you are driving on tar road, if you drive even at 140 or 160, then even at that time you will not feel that the car is vibrating. The only difference is the tar road will absorb the weight of the car, absorb whatever is coming. It will not reflect it back, whereas concrete road will reflect it back, and tar road will not generate much heat, whereas the concrete road will generate much heat. So when an idea is being created, this knowledge is also required. As I was telling in the focus group, the wooden flooring absorbs your weight, but the tile flooring will not absorb. You cannot stand a very long time on a tiling floor. So when you are designing your offices, when you are designing homes, okay, whenever, even in your maybe your family is constructing a home or something like that, so you can use those ideas, whatever you are having. बहुत लोगों के पास creativity रहता है ना, रूम को मैं पेंट करूंगा ऐसे कुछ, so something like that. So these ideas can be implemented. Start with these small things, so you will develop a kind of a just एक idea generation का, creativity का एक streak आ जाएगा. So that's it for today. ठीक है, so एक one last slide is remaining, इतना ही है, creative problem solving. ठीक है, so ये भी एक ठीक है, how to solve a problem. This we'll do it in the next class along with the those presentations. ठीक है, so 3 I have been taken already. If anyone wants to take Yahoo, they can message me. Otherwise, that 3 are good enough. Okay, Kodak, BlackBerry, and the other one. This. Okay, so any doubts, or shall we wrap up? Then I hope everyone has written present. ठीक है, then fine. Chalo then, see you. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.